Hello everyone, my name is John Foryt with Greif. I am the Product Safety and Compliance Manager for North American business. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about product declarations. So many of Greif's customers have questions around the multitude of regulations related to food contact or human harm, and specifically they want to know about them as it relates to packaging. These are important for our end users because they want to know that the packaging that we produce is safe and won't harm people or the environment. The regulations in question are especially critical for food customers who need to know the packaging that they're buying is appropriate for food contact. Fortunately, Greif maintains a robust program to engage with our raw material suppliers so that we can understand the compliance status of what's going into our packaging. We use that information to create customer-facing declarations that address the compliance status of the entire finished packaging. To do this, we also incorporate process reviews to understand whether our manufacturing process is introducing anything unwanted or is otherwise impacting the finished product declaration. A few examples of the type of declarations available from Greif are things like FDA compliance status, basically answering the question, can the packaging be used for food products? Another example is an absence of substances declaration. We'll address things like, does the packaging contain specific chemicals like BPA? We also have declarations that address specific chemical regulations like Proposition 65 or REACH. Greif issues hundreds of these types of declarations every month, and we're continually updating them as legislations change and new chemicals of concern are identified. If you have questions around this or any other quality topic, please feel free to reach out to your Greif representative.